What's up, y'all? Sparta here. For this video, I want to do an unboxing. I know, very unusual for me, but nonetheless, an unboxing of the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro here. It was supposed to come yesterday, but then it decided to come today. Then they decided to deliver it in the wrong lobby, so I had to go grab it. But yeah, nonetheless, let's get into this here. Very simple and easy packaging to open, honestly. I wish Soundcore would also just make their boxes a little bit smaller. I know they like to have like a large presentation for their earbuds, and since these earbuds are like very well regarded right now, like people are saying, oh, they're better than the XM4s, which I don't think the XM4s are the best earbuds out right now, personally, but I can understand why someone would say that and apologize. I can't go into the I can't go in the wide angle. I am using the Sony, and I'm I downloaded the APK for the Videography Pro app, so I'm seeing how that works, and that's what this is being recorded on. So yeah, let's take the case out first. Very nice case. I really do like how this looks. Got a little drop test. Got two little LED lights in here, so it's very similar to what the Tone Free FP. I think the FP5s have it too, but the FP8 and FP9 have, where you open the lid and you get a little ambient lighting right there. So yeah, case is really nice. I really do like it a lot. It's a little bit on the wider side, but it's not that big of a deal. It looks small enough. So they don't come with ear tips on them out of the box, but as you guys can see here, very nice looking. I really do like how these look. So typically I go with medium. Typically I'm totally fine with what the mediums do on earbuds, so I'm just gonna go with those. See how that is overall. Was this the left or the right? It's the right. So I think they go in this way. Yep, there we go. And then put the other one on. Oh, that's cute. There's a little Soundcore logo right there. That's actually pretty cute. Now, this isn't me trying to say that, oh, I don't want to come out of these saying that, oh, the Liberty 3 Pro are overhyped or anything like that. I just wanted to test them for myself rather than hearing everybody else sing their high praises and not really knowing. And since this is my first Soundcore Liberty or any of their higher end earbuds, this is my first ever foray into those. Like, I mess with the Life.2s. Those are nice, very good battery life, especially on the case, 100 plus hours. Those are basically my work earbuds until the winter came, and the winter would completely decimate the battery because there's no weather protection on those. Just like most, but I think a lot of other earbuds, aside from like the AirPods Pro, I never had that problem with them. But yeah, as you guys can see, you have LED lights on here. This does have Qi wireless charging on the back. And you open it, you get a little bit of that ambient lighting right there. That's very nice. Really nice case overall. A really nice soft touch. Really nice. I know a lot of people are like, oh, the clamping. What does that sound like? It's fine. Personally, I don't weight how good earbuds are based off how the clamp sounds. So it's whatever. I guess I'll just go down the spec list and whatnot. These have their whatever the hell is called, their ACAA 2.0 drivers. I'm not gonna go into the full name of that. So apparently they're good for clarity and bass, which I'll see. Something that the Tone Free FP9s are very good for as well. They have adaptive noise cancellation, adjustable noise cancellation, something that something like the XM4s don't have, so that's very nice. Say if you don't want it to be overly strong, you don't want it to be too strong because you're sensitive to that, then you can turn it down to that's very nice as well. Um, Apparently they have a good ambient mode. I'll test that. The sound seems to be very good for a lot of people. Again, I'll test that. But overall, I just want to see how good these fare in turn against my other earbuds, i.e. XM4 and tone free FP9. More in particular the FP9 because those are my favorite earbuds right now. Not to say anything bad about the XM4s. I don't hate them or anything like that. It's just I'm using the FP9s far more than I'm using the XM4s right now personally, and that's just what it comes down to. So I assume what you do is you just open the case and it goes into a pairing mode. And I gotta go to pair new device. These also have multi-point pairing. The XM4s don't have that, and the FP9s have multi connections, so you can connect them to up to 5 devices and just switch between them the moment you want to use them. I'll say my laptop right here, or a laptop, or a PC. You can just go into the Bluetooth settings, hit connect, and it'll connect, and it'll disconnect from the other one. I personally prefer that because what tends to happen with multi-point for me, at least that's what happened. What would happen on the QC45s is that sometimes it would switch to, say it was connected to both my S21 Ultra and my old laptop. So okay, there's the Liberty 3 Pro. It would connect to, oh my god, yes, just do it. It'll connect to my old laptop and my S21 Ultra, and it would say connected to MSI and or A21, which is what I called my S21 Ultra. And sometimes it would connect to my S21 Ultra, despite the fact that I wasn't. It would try to play audio out the S21 Ultra, despite the fact that I wasn't using that phone. So these are fairly lightweight. I really do like how lightweight these are. I'm gonna test them in my ear to see if that holds up. One thing I wish these did have, Google Fast Pair. That would actually be pretty nice. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to download the Soundcore app. But overall, I do feel like the overall seal is very good. Very nice, honestly. I really do like how these seal in my ear a lot. They are a bit on the larger side, so they're going to jet out of your ear. For smaller ear people, I don't necessarily think these are the way to go. These are more comfortable than the XM4. I think these are probably about the same. I think these are probably about the same as the XM4. Honestly, do I really got to log in right now? Oh, okay, I don't. Liberty Series, Liberty 3 Pro. That's what I'm doing. I gotta put them in the charging case because they have a firmware update already. But like I said, the seal is very nice. I really do like that a lot. Seal is quite nice. They're quite comfortable. Really don't have any sort of issues with that. Did the fucking app just like... Okay, go back then. Okay, now let's try them and see how the ANC and all that stuff sounds. The important stuff. Aside from obviously the sound, but I'm obviously gonna give my first impressions right now too. So yeah, I didn't mean to make this a 15-minute video, but well, it's 10 minutes, but Really, now the left earbud don't want to connect, bro? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Okay, there we go. Let's do noise cancellation. Pretty solid. I'm not gonna do the Hear ID stuff yet. Let's do the transparency mode. Honestly, my voice sounds a little bit digitized, but it's not horrendous at all. It actually sounds pretty on par with other earbuds, but honestly, it's not terrible at all. I actually do kind of like how that is. You have wind noise reduction here as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set that on, and it's a fairly windy day out. So what I want to kind of do is test the XM4 and test these because both of those have wind noise reduction, and I want to see how well it handles noise cancellation with wind noise reduction on. So I'm gonna do that a little bit later. Let's go into some music here. So the track that I'm going to be playing to test bass today, Ballad of the Bass by Big Crit. Mm. Already I'm not loving it, but everyone has said everyone has said with these earbuds, when you do the Hear ID test and all that stuff, that's when these truly start to shine. So I'm gonna end up doing that first before I do a final verdict. But out of the box, I don't necessarily like how that sounds. Um, but got to do other things like say stress the driver a little bit, have a little bit of burn in, all that other audiophile crap. But yeah, very nice box, very nice presentation. I really do like how the earbuds look. Really have no issues with those whatsoever. I think in here is the USB-C cable, which is nice. Don't necessarily need yet another regular USB to USB-C cable right now. I have an abundance of them, but it looks like a long cable, so that's actually really nice. Most most manufacturers of earbuds give you like some measly, like small, a very small. Like what Sony does is they give you this like very measly small cord, and I like how this cord is actually fairly long, so that's actually pretty nice. But yeah, Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. I'm going to be testing these. I'm going to be putting these through the ringer. I'm going to be pitting them against the FP9 here. Going to be putting them against the XM4. Don't have the XM4 on hand. They're in my sweater. So despite the fact I'm not using them all that much, they are still in rotation enough to be in my sweater. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you feel about this. This is part of the Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for support. Do you have these Liberty 3 Pros? Are you loving them? Let me know in the comment section below. Hope you have a wonderful Wednesday or whatever time or day it is in your area. Have a good one.